Hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku at Two Stars Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on a Monday, August the 3rd, 2020. And this second Sudoku will be number 1275. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. I think there are 26, but let's check if it's correct. We have here 3 plus 4 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 3 is 13 plus 4 is 17 plus 3 is 20, 24, 26. Correct, as expected. So let's get started. I see here in this column 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this big square, so no 2 and a 9 in these two boxes. So the 2 and the 9 goes in those two boxes. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. The other two numbers are the numbers 4 and the 8. Let me mark them for you. It's up here. All right. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be there. The other two numbers in this big square are the numbers for the 1 and the 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then the 8 in this row, the 8 in the third row, so the row between. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then these three numbers, the missing numbers are in this big square, the 7, the 4, and the 9. We see here 4 and a 7. So in this box, no 4 and a 7 here. One digit left should be the 9. Here goes the 7 and a 4, 7 and a 4. That means one digit left in this column should be the number 3. These three numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here the 1 and the 2. So no 1 and the 2 in this box. One digit left should be the 8. The 1 and the 2 goes here. I mark them for you so it's easier to follow. Alright. So, and now, we have a 1 in this column, a 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 9 in this row, 9 in that row? So in the row between, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? The number 2. Yeah. Let me think. 3. Alright. 4. I need a 4 here. Yeah. The 8. Let me me think. Yeah. Yeah. I'm scanning. 2, 7, 6, and a 5. 7, 6, and a 5. Alright. If it's taking too long, I need to fill some numbers. This one is not quite easy at 2-star. 8 in this. No, we already have an 8. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row. These 2 boxes could be a 6. Yes, let me mark them. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the row below. These 2 boxes could be a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below. These 3 boxes could be a 2, but we have a 2 here, no 2 there. So these 2, and 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column. These 2 boxes could be a 2. We have a 2 here, alright. So, the missing link, I'm searching the missing link. 6, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 1 and a 2 here. 2. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so in the first column. These 2 boxes could be a 9. 9 here, 9 in this column, 9, yes. Because we have a 9 there, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1, 2, 8, and a 6. We have a 4 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes could be a 4. So this cannot be a 4. So the 4